Are you listening? Are you listening? What I say, what I say. Watch my video, watch my video. Stay happy each day. May you stay happy each day. You must be wondering what I am doing. I am just trying out a new style to wish you a big hello and a warm welcome to new academic year. I hope you and your family member are safe and sound. Welcome back to virtual class. So dear children, myself Miss Hetal Kothari and I am going to teach you cursive writing. Yes, and today's video we are going to learn cursive writing E and cursive writing I. So watch it carefully. Children, you already learned capital and small letters in a nursery grade. So just revise first capital and small letter. Which letter is this? Yes, you are correct. This is E. E says A. Capital E, and this one is small e. Capital E, small e. Now we'll see the picture which start from letter E. Now E says elephant. E says egg. Elephant and egg, they both started with the E. So now let's see the cursive letter. How to write cursive letter E? This is a E. You have to say cursive writing E. E for elephant. Now you have to start E from here. Okay, and two blue line. You have to write in a two blue line. Go on top, touch the blue line and come back. This is E. Again we will see how to write cursive E. Start from here, go on top and this. Again one more time, go on top, come back and here. This is cursive writing E. Cursive letters are divided in a 4 categories. So E comes in a loop category, the loop category. Now I will show you correct formation of E. Then you have to write in your book. So children, pay attention and look here. Slant line, go on top, come back and E. You have to start from here children. Yes, and you have to end here. But correct formation is slanting line, go on top and come down and here. This is the correct formation of cursive letter E. First you have to write like this big and trace many times. Then you will learn correct formation. After learning the correct formation, you have to write letter E in a two blue line. Yes children, this is the loop category letter E. You have to write in a two blue line. So now see how Miss is writing in a two blue line. Children, see, you can see two blue lines here. Like this, two blue lines are there in your 4-line book. So you have to start from here, from down blue line. Go on top, come back. Cursive writing E. Again one more time, start from down blue line, go on top, come back. Cursive writing E. Again one more time, see the formation. Down blue line, go on back, take a loop and come back. This is called loop. This place is called loop. That's why E comes in a loop category. So children, like this you have to do the practice of writing E. Okay? See one more time, look here. Like this. and you have to say and write. Cursive writing E. Like this continuously you have to say and write with the very good handwriting. If it goes out from the blue line, then wrong. If your formation is wrong like this, then wrong. Only you have to write like this. Slant line, go on top, come back. This is correct formation and correct writing E. Now children, second letter is cursive writing I. But before that, you have to recognize which letter is this. You already learned in a nursery grade. Yes, very good. I, capital I. And this one is small I. And this one is cursive I. So this is letter I. I. Now tell me which picture is this? Yes, I for ice cream. Now this one I, start from I. Insect. Yes, and last one, very cool place to stay. Yes, I says igloo. So ice cream, insect and igloo. Start from I. Capital I, small I, cursive I. Now children, how to write I will show you. So watch it carefully. I, cursive writing I. I says ink pot. Now how to write I? Start from here and two blue line. You have to write in a two blue line. Go on top, come back, I. And you have to put dot on I. Again one more time. Start from here, go on top, come back, and you have to put dot on I. This is cursive writing I. Yes, got it? As I said, cursive letters are divided in a 4 different categories. So E comes in a loop category and I come in a kite string category. I look like a kite string. So first I will teach you correct formation. So look here, you have to start from here, go on top, come back, down. And you have to put dot on I. This is cursive I. Again children, start from here, go on top, come back down. This is cursive writing I. As I said, you have to trace many times, then you will learn very fast. Now we will see how to write I in a 2 blue lines. So children, this is the margin. You have to write right side of margin. Yes, and you have to write I in a 2 blue line. So let's see how to write. Start from down, touch the blue line, come down, I. And last you have to put dot on I. Again, from down line to up line, come down, put dot on I. Again one more time, start from the down line, go on top, same line you have to come down. See, you have to write in a 2 blue lines. Don't go out from the blue lines. Okay, then miss will give you wrong. One more time. Down blue line. Go on top. Come down. Put dot. This is I. You don't have to pick your pencil, okay, while writing the cursive letters. I hope you got it, how to write cursive letter E and I. It is little difficult, but practice make man perfect. So every day you will do the practice in your book. Okay, till then, bye. See you in the next video.